Hi, my name is John Deere from Adorable Ideas. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to apply a great new product that will be sure to put a sparkle in anybody's eye. Here you can see we have regular machine embroidery in combination with rhinestones or nail heads. And the way it works is you do the regular machine embroidery first, and then we're going to apply a template that is going to fit directly over top of the embroidered image. And it's going to give you a product that's going to be dazzling. Okay, now we're going to show you how easy this is. The first thing that we have to do is hoop our garment. So we're going to take a hoop size that is comparable to the embroidery size that we're going to be using, and I'm going to place this down underneath, visually in place. Now I'm going to take my stabilizer, which I'm using a no-show mesh, and we're going to place that on top of the hoop, and we just have to work it in there. We want to make sure that all of the embroidered areas are stabilized. And then we're going to just pull out and flatten out our piece, making sure that the stabilizer isn't crossing over itself. Now once that's in place, then we just have to make sure that it's sitting nice and flat. And I can see my stabilizer is moved, so I'm going to move that into place. Once the stabilizer is flatly into place and I can feel it, I'm going to take my top hoop and I'm going to place it inside. And I want to make sure that I don't pull or stretch the fabric. Because this is such a low density design, if I pull on the fabric, then the rhinestones or nail heads will not match up when we iron them on. So now my garment is hooped and I just have to take it to the machine. Okay, now I've loaded my design into the machine and I've chosen the right colors. Now what I want to do is place my hoop within the machine itself. Now because this is a tubular machine, I'm able to go in through the arm and I'm able to slide the embroidery in place. Now what I want to do is I want to make sure that all of the garment is out of the way underneath, because I don't want to sew through the actual embroidery. Now I'm already in place, so all I have to do is press the start button and my design will start running. Great, now that the embroidery is done, we'll just take that off the machine. And as you can see, this design looks great all by itself. Now if you notice, I've changed some of the colors on the design because I want it to be more vibrant. If you like purple, you could do purple roses or any other color that you wish. So we're going to remove this from the hoop. And keep in mind that this also is a very low stitch count design, so you're not going to have a lot of movement within the garment itself. You won't have much stretch or pull, so you don't have to worry about the embroidery distorting. Now what I want to do is I want to lie this flat again on my surface, and I want a nice hard surface, and I want to make sure that everything is laid down nice and flat.